Beauty with the mind. Yes, here are top 5 information that will help before you thinking to buy the house.
Budget breakdown. Always know your budget and factor in additional costs such as taxes, insurance, and maintenance. This ensures you can comfortably afford your new home. Location analysis. Research the neighborhood thoroughly. Check for amenities, safety, proximity to work or schools, and future development plans. Location plays a crucial role in the long-term value of your investment. Home inspection. Don't skip the home inspection. It helps identify potential issues, allowing you to negotiate repairs or adjust the purchase price accordingly. This step is vital for a sound investment. Resale value. Consider the resale potential of the property. Even if you plan to stay long-term, life is unpredictable. Look for features that could make the home more appealing to future buyers. Market trends. Stay informed about current real estate market trends. Understanding whether it's a buyer's or seller's market can impact your negotiating power and the overall value you get for your money.